Good evening, students. Welcome to our YouTube channel HKH Classes. Today is the second class on algebraic identities. We are following the DAV textbook. Today we will be doing the second identity and we will be attempting the second worksheet in the DAV textbook. In the yesterday's class, we did the worksheet 1. Let's have a quick recap. We did 2 examples. After that, we attempted the worksheet 1. This is the question number 1, part 1. Then part 2, 8x plus 3y whole square. Then we did 3a upon 5 plus 2b upon 3 whole square. Part number 5 and part number 6. Question number 2. Question number 2. So here we concluded yesterday and we concluded the worksheet 1. Today we will do the second identity. Hope you have been able to understand the class that we had yesterday, and I am hopeful that in today's class also you will enjoy it. So let's get started with the next identity. The next identity is a minus b whole square. So when we do a minus b whole square, it means a minus b into a minus b. If we solve this, we'll have to multiply a with a, then a with the b, then b with a, and then b with b, and we will have to be cognizant of their signs. So it becomes a times a minus a times b minus b times a minus and minus b times b. So minus and minus will become plus. Minus into minus will become plus, is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. इसको आप बच्चों ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, ए स्क्वेयर प्लस बी स्क्वेयर माइनस 2ab. अब जैसे हमने कल कुछ एग्जाम्पल्स किए थे एंड देन वी डिड द वर्कशीट 2, सिमिलर वे वी विल बी डूइंग 2 एग्जाम्पल्स एंड देन वी विल कम टू द worksheet 2. Okay. So we have the first example as 2x minus 3y whole square. So let's solve this. 2x minus 3y whole square is equal to, we will use the identity 2, which is a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, where a is equal to 2x and b is equal to 3y. Solving this, we will get is equal to 2x whole square plus 3y whole square minus 2 times 2x and 3y is equal to 4x square plus 9y square minus 2 into 2 is 4 and 4 into 3 is 12. 12x y. Okay, this is the answer. You go to the next one. Evaluate 99 square using identity. इसमें बच्चों हमें 99 को ब्रेक करना है. 99 स्क्वायर को हम लिख सकते हैं 100 माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे हम आइडेंटिटी लगा देंगे a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, where a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 1. जब हम इसको सब्स्टिट्यूट करेंगे तो आ जाएगा 100 minus 1 whole square is equal to 100 square plus 1 square minus 2 into 100 into 1 is equal to 10,000 plus 1 minus 200. इसको हम कर लेंगे 9801 is the answer. Okay. अब हम करते हैं next we will go to the worksheet. So we are starting with the worksheet 2. It has 2 questions. Question number 1 has 6 parts and question number 2 has 6 parts. We'll start with the question number 1. X minus 7 whole square is equal to, we will use identity to a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. A is equal to where a is equal to x and b is equal to 7. So x minus 7 whole square is equal to x square plus 7 square minus 2 into x into 7 equal to x square plus 49 minus 2 into 7 is 14x. Here is the answer. Okay. Let's go to the next question. 5a minus 4b whole square is equal to 5a whole square plus 4b whole square minus 2 times 5a times 4b is equal to 25a square plus 16b square minus 2 into 5 is 10, 10 into 4 is 40, 40ab. Okay, 25a square plus 16b square minus 40. This is the answer. Okay, we'll go to the next 2 questions, next 2 parts. Okay, we will do the next 2 parts. 7x upon 4 minus 2y upon 3 whole square. सीधा वही आइडेंटिटी लगाएंगे बेटा, a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, where a is equal to 7x upon 4 and b is equal to 2y upon 3. This will become 7x upon 4 whole square plus 2y upon 3 whole square minus 2 times 7x upon 4 and 2y upon 3. 2 into this 2 will become 4. So this and this will get cancelled. Is equal to 7 square is 49, 4 square is 16 and x square plus 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 upon 9y square minus 7x upon 3. So this is the answer. Okay. Quickly go to the next part. 4th part. 8mn minus 3pq whole square. We will use a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab, where a is equal to 8mn and b is equal to 3pq. So here we will get is equal to 8mn whole square plus 3pq whole square minus 2 times m n 3pq is equal to 64 m square n square plus 9p square q square minus 2 is a 16, 16 3 is a 48, 48 times m n p q. So answer is 64 m square n square plus 9p square q square minus 48 m n p q. Answer. Okay. We'll save this. So we have completed 4 parts. We'll go to the 5th part. Okay, so we have 0.1 we have 0.1 x minus 0.5 y whole square. And directly put identity. A is equal to 0.1 x, b is equal to 0.5 y and identity is a minus b whole square. क्या होती है आइडेंटिटी? a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. इसको हम लिखेंगे इज इक्वल टू 0.1 x होल स्क्वायर प्लस 0.5 y होल स्क्वायर minus 2 times 0.1 x times 0.5 y. 0.1 into 0.1, 0.1 and 0.1, 1 and 1 is 1 and 2 के बाद डेसिमल तो 0.01 x square plus 5 into 5 is 25, 2 के बाद डेसिमल 0.25 y square 2 minus 2 1 upon 10 and 5 upon 10. 2 into 5 is 10. So 1 10 will go away. X y 1 upon 10 is 0.1. So is equal to 0.01 x square plus 0.25 y square minus 0.1 x y. Okay. So this is the answer. I will go to the last part of this question number 1. A square minus b square whole square. So we will say a square whole square plus b square whole square minus 2 a square b square is equal to a to the power 4. Powers will add up plus b4 minus 2 a square. Powers will not add up. Here you have to multiply 2 into 2. If it would have been a square into 3, then it would become a to the power 6. अगर a square into a3 होता तो पावर्स एड अप होती. बट यहाँ पे आपको मल्टीप्लाई करना है 2a square b square. So this is the answer. Okay, so we have completed the first question. Save this. Now we will go to question number 2. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में आपको नंबर्स दिए हैं और उसमें से आपको a माइनस बी आइडेंटिटी a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर वहाँ पे अप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी. so, ये हमने एग्जाम्पल करा था, अभी स्टार्टिंग में एग्जाम्पल किया था ना ऐसा. ये हमने 3 स्लाइड पहले ये एग्जाम्पल किया था. 99 स्क्वायर को 100 माइनस 1 लिखा था. अब जो क्वेश्चन आ रहा है आपको 48 दिया है तो इसमें आप क्या लिखोगे? सो विल स्टार्ट 48 स्क्वायर को हम कैसे लिख सकते हैं? ऐसी टर्म्स जिनके स्क्वायर आप जबानी कर पाओ, ओरली कर पाओ. तो 50 माइनस 2 इसको हम लिख सकते हैं 50 माइनस 2 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू, अब यहाँ पे आइडेंटिटी लग जाएगी a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab, वेयर a इज इक्वल टू 50 एंड b इज इक्वल टू 2. ये जब हम यहाँ पे लगाएंगे तो हम लिखेंगे 50 होल स्क्वायर plus 2 whole square minus 2 into 50 into 2 is equal to 2500 plus 4 minus 2 into 2 4 into 50. Yeah, 2 into 50 is 100, 100 into 2 is 200. Okay, 2500 minus 200 is equal to 2300 plus 4 is equal to 2304. इसको आप 48 इंटू 48 करके भी अगर देखना चाहो तो 8 8 पे 64, 8 4s are 32 and 6 38. Then you'll have 4 8s are 32, 4 4s are 16 and 3 19. Okay, 4 0 10 ऊपर 12 and 1 13, 1 ऊपर 2. हो गया बेटा चेक, वैलिडेट हो गया. ओके, सो अब यहाँ पे हमने जल्दी कर लिया ना इसको. ये इस आइडेंटिटी को आप कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जामिनेशन में भी आप इसको यूज कर सकते हो टू सेव टाइम. गो टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 9.9 होल स्क्वायर. अगर आपको याद हो तो वर्कशीट 1 में हमने करा था 10.1 होल स्क्वायर. तो 10 प्लस 0.1 होल स्क्वायर. यहाँ पे हम कर रहे हैं 10 माइनस 0.1 इक्वल टू 10 माइनस 0.1 होल स्क्वायर. आइडेंटिटी लगा दें यहाँ पे. टेन स्क्वायर प्लस 0.1 होल स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू 10 इंटू 0.1 is equal to 100 plus 0.1 into 0.1 is 0.01 minus 2 into 10 into this will become 1 because 0.1 we can write it as 10 into 1 upon 10. ये कट जाएगा तो this will be 2. 100 minus 2 is equal to 98 plus 0.01 is equal to 98.01. So this is the answer. Okay, we'll go to the next part, third part of the question. We'll come to the third part of the question. So third part is very simple. आप बताओ इसमें क्या करेंगे. 299 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 300 माइनस 1 होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 300 होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू 300 इंटू 1 इज इक्वल टू 9 1 2 3 4 प्लस 1 इंटू 1 इज 1 माइनस 2 इंटू 300 इज इक्वल टू 600. $90,000 में से आप 600 सब्ट्रैक्ट कर लो. 004, then you will have 9 and then you will have 8. Okay, इसमें आप प्लस 1 कर दो, आपका आंसर आ गया 89401. 89401 आंसर. Okay, let's go to the next one. 98 square is equal to 100 minus 2 whole square is equal to 100 square plus 2 square minus 2 into 100 into 2 is equal to 8 2 3 4 plus 4 minus 400. $10,000 में से आप 400 माइनस कर लो. 006 और ये आपका आ गया 9. 9600 में प्लस 4 ऐड कर दो. 9604 इज द आंसर. ओके, So we have done the fourth part also. We are left with two parts. Okay. So let's go there. Okay. Now we will do 87 whole square is equal to 90 minus 3 होल स्क्वायर. और यहाँ पे आइडेंटिटी लगा देंगे a माइनस बी होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर माइनस 2ab. a इज इक्वल टू 90 एंड b इज इक्वल टू 3 इज इक्वल टू 90 स्क्वायर प्लस 3 स्क्वायर माइनस 2 इंटू 90 इंटू 3. is equal to 8100 plus 9 minus 2 into 3 6 6 into 9 540. Okay, so we will do 8109 minus 540. 9 10 में से 4 6 11 10 10 में से 5 5 एंड यहाँ पे बचा 7 7 5 6 9 is the answer. Okay, I'll come to the last question of this particular session. 19.9 whole square is equal to 20 minus 0.1 whole square is equal to 20 whole square plus 0.1 square minus 2 into 20 into 0.1 is equal to 400 plus 0.01 minus 1 upon 10 and this 20 0 will go away minus 4. 400 minus 4 is 396. 396 plus 0.01 is equal to 396.01. 1 second. Okay, so with this we have attempted all the questions of the second worksheet of DAV textbook for the class 8th. Chapter number 7, algebraic expressions, algebraic identities. Okay, as we suggested yesterday, this is the flashcard. We have entered the second entry of the second identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. I hope you would have followed the questions today. In case you like the channel, please subscribe the channel. It will motivate us to create more useful videos for you. If you like the video, kindly share it with your friends. Okay, so today we did the second identity, a minus b whole square is equal to a minus b into a minus b is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Then we came to the two examples, and after that we did the question number 1, first part and the second part, third part and the fourth part, fifth part and the sixth part. We came to question number 2. And then this was the last question that we attended. Thanks for your time. We will meet you in the next video with the worksheet 3. Till then, take care, stay calm and stay focused. Thank you.